Hey everyone! Looking for the best Bosch circular saw to take your cutting projects to the next level? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing Bosch circular saws of the year, considering precision, power, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. BOSCH GKS18V-26LN Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS18V-26LN Perfector stands as one of the most advanced cordless circular saws in the Bosch lineup. Designed for professional-grade applications, it delivers corded-like power from an 18-volt battery platform. Thanks to Bosch's BITURBO Brushless technology, this system optimizes both the motor and drivetrain to fully utilize the energy from Bosch's high-power Core 18V batteries, resulting in performance that rivals wired saws. With a cutting capacity of 2 5/8 inches at 90 degrees, this model handles standard 2x material with ease, even across the full bevel range. The blade-left orientation improves visibility for right-handed users, while the integrated cut-line LED light ensures a clear view of the workpiece in all lighting conditions. An electronic convenience brake stops the blade quickly after the trigger is released, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. The bevel range of 50 degrees allows for a wide variety of angled cuts. Number 4. Bosch CSW41 Circular Saw. The Bosch CSW41 is built for professionals who demand power, precision, and durability in a single package. Its worm drive design provides exceptional torque and accuracy, making it ideal for cutting through thick or dense materials. The left blade configuration offers an unobstructed view of the cut line, while the magnesium construction keeps the tool lighter than many competing worm drive saws, reducing fatigue during extended use. With a 15-amp motor delivering up to 5,300 revolutions per minute under no load, the CSW41 easily powers through framing lumber, sheet goods, and engineered wood products. The gearing system is designed for smooth, controlled cuts, and the tool's weight distribution ensures stability. The anti-snag lower guard allows for clean finishing cuts on small offcuts, while the soft grip handle enhances comfort over long workdays. Bosch has included practical features like an onboard multi-function wrench for blade changes and adjustments. Number 3. Bosch CS5 Circular Saw. The Bosch CS5 delivers straightforward cutting performance with the advantage of a left blade design, giving users a clear view of their workpiece for improved accuracy. This corded model is engineered for those who value simplicity without sacrificing cutting power. Its 7 1/4 inch blade size is ideal for general-purpose cutting across wood, metal, and even certain masonry materials when using the appropriate blade. Built with a sturdy housing, the CS5 can withstand regular use in demanding environments. The design prioritizes user visibility, making it easier to track the cut line and achieve cleaner, straighter results. While not as heavily loaded with advanced features as some premium models, it maintains Bosch's reputation for quality construction and dependable operation. The corded power source ensures uninterrupted cutting, which is especially useful for long sessions of material breakdown or construction framing. Number 2. Bosch CS10 Circular Saw. The Bosch CS10 is a robust corded circular saw built for demanding tasks, offering a combination of strength, precision, and durability. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it can handle cuts up to 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees, making it suitable for a wide variety of construction and remodeling jobs. At just over 10 pounds, the CS10 strikes a solid balance between weight and stability, allowing for controlled, accurate cuts without excessive strain on the user. The die-cast magnesium footplate is a standout feature, offering both strength and perfect flatness for smooth gliding across the work surface. This contributes to highly accurate cuts, even over longer boards or sheet materials. Bosch's exclusive bevel louvers direct airflow to keep the cut line clear, enhancing visibility and minimizing the need for constant adjustments. With a bevel capacity of 56 degrees, the saw offers great flexibility for complex cutting angles. Number 1. Bosch CCS180B Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS18V stands out as an excellent combination of portability, comfort, and reliable power. This cordless model offers a 6.5-inch blade capacity, making it capable of cutting through 2-inch material at 90 degrees with ease. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.